This rotary tool boasts a robust 1,600-watt motor designed to maintain constant power output while preventing overheating during extended detailing sessions. Users can adjust the intensity through 7 variable speed settings that range from 1,000 to 3,500 revolutions per minute to suit various surface materials. Weighing approximately 4½ pounds, the device includes detachable side and D-shaped handles to accommodate different grip preferences and reduce user fatigue. Beyond automotive paint correction, this versatile machine effectively polishes furniture, boats, marble, and wood surfaces when paired with the appropriate accessories. The comprehensive kit arrives with a selection of sponge pads, wool pads, and sandpaper to address defects ranging from heavy oxidation to light surface scratches. A convenient safety switch lock allows for continuous operation without holding the trigger, ensuring a smooth and steady workflow during time-consuming jobs.